Hi, welcome to Map Tales, the place where we use story maps to tell a story and learn new things. It's getting very hot out here, so I'm off to find some shade. Whew, so bright, even in the shade. I wonder what makes it so bright. I know, it's the sun. It is 12 p.m, which means that the sun is at its highest point, so it's really hot now. I wonder how far we are from the sun. I know that we live on the planet Earth, so I wonder how far Earth is from the sun. Hey, I know. Let's use the internet to help us. So it says here that Earth is 150 million kilometers from the sun. Wow, that's so far. Oh wow, it also says that there are 8 planets that orbit the sun, or they go around the sun. That's what it means. I know all the names of the planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I wish I had a telescope and I could look up to the stars and see the planets. I've got an idea. I think that today's Map Tales should be about planets in our solar system. There's so much information on here, I don't think I should write it all down, so I'm only going to take the important parts. So I'm going to start off with this. There are 8 planets, that's my planet, on our solar system. So far we have Mercury is the closest to the sun. It's the smallest planet in our solar system and it doesn't have any moons. It's got lots of craters everywhere and it's very dry. With Venus, it's a similar size to Earth, it's drier and really hot. It's the hottest planet in our solar system and it's actually named after the Greek goddess of love and beauty. Let's do Earth now. So Earth is actually where we live. I'm going to draw Earth. There's some land there. I'll do an arrow because that's where we are. And actually, it's the only planet that we know have people living. So I'll just draw that. And we only have one moon. So that's our moon. Some dots on, that's the craters, and an M for moon. Right, 5 more planets to go. So finally we have Neptune. Now this is the furthest away from the sun. It's also got a mark on it, a bit like Jupiter. And this has been caused by lots of very heavy storms. So that's our story map ready. Let's have a go at reading through it. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury is the closest to the sun. It's the smallest of all the planets in our solar system and it has no moons. It has many craters and is very dry. Venus is similar in size to Earth. It's drier and it's very hot and it's named after the Greek goddess of love and beauty. Earth is where we live. It's the only planet that we know have living things on it and it has one moon. Mars is known as the red planet because it's made up of reddish rock and soil and dust. It's smaller than Earth and Venus and it's named after the Greek god of war. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's made up of gases and it has a spot on it. It's been caused by amazing thunderous storms that started over 100 years ago. Saturn is very similar to Jupiter. It's made up of gases and it has rings going around it. And it's got over 60 moons. Wow. Uranus is the coldest planet and it's the lightest of the last 4 planets. It's also made up of gases. Neptune is the furthest planet away from the sun. It also has an eye, just like Jupiter, and that's been caused by storms too. Now it's your turn to write a report about something you're interested in. It could be a report about your favourite animal, or even people from British history, like the Romans, or even the Vikings. Thanks for tuning in to Map Tales. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click here.